exercises that require a ball. Down on the floor and walk out on your hands to a plank with your feet on the ball. Reverse the direction to come back to top the ball, and repeat. Stability ball, side plank. Set yourself in a side plank position, with your forearm resting on top of the ball and one foot stacked on top of the other. Make it harder by extending the top arm so fingers are pointing to the ceiling, by lifting your top leg up, or by doing both. Hold for the time allotted before coming down and doing the other side. Down on top of the stability ball, with your hands on the floor on either side. Pick up your feet and extend them long behind you, then proceed to kick them from the hips, as if you were swimming. 14. Stability ball, glute ridges. Lying on your back, bend your knees and rest your heels on top of the stability ball. Place your arms on the floor by your sides. Dig your feet into the ball while you press your hips high up, creating a plane from shoulders to knees. Lower the hips down and repeat.